मैं आजा बच्चा हूँ डॉल्ड पाकिस्तान Masti
Assalamu alaikum dosto. My name is Sadaf and this is Ishmael, and we're going to learn some new Urdu words today. Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
जी हाँ
Ji ha. So Ishmael is ready, friends. So we're gonna start with the first Urdu word. Our first Urdu word will be a translation of the English word I. So what is I in Urdu? Do you know, Ishmael? Ooh, Ishmael doesn't know. Do you know? Maybe this guy knows. This little kid knows. He's too shy. Oh, he said it. He said it. Okay. But for the other ones who didn't guess, the Urdu word for I is मैं. What is it? मैं. So I is मैं in Urdu. Okay, friends. So we learned the first word. I is, what is it? मैं in Urdu. And now the next word we're going to learn is we. So what is we in Urdu? Any guesses? All right, tell me.
हम
That's right, Ishmael. Good job. Who else guessed? There you go. Who else guessed the right word? So the English word for we is hum. What is it? Hum. So when we want to say we did something, हमने किया. Hum. Yeah, if you want to say together, we hum. So first word was I. What is it? मैं. And the second word we have is we, which is hum. So it's we. We is hum. And if I want to say I, मैं. And hum. We and I. Right?
Yeah.
So what is the Urdu word for we?
हम
Hum is everybody together. We. Okay? So the Urdu word for we is hum. Can we all say together? The Urdu word for we is?
हम
Can you say that the whole thing again? The Urdu word
The Urdu word
for we is?
for we is hum.
Try one more time. The Urdu word for we is hum.
The Urdu word for we is hum.
Good job. So the Urdu word for we is hum. So the first word we learned was I. The Urdu word for I is मैं. And the Urdu word for we is
hum.
hum. मैं hum. मैं hum. I मैं and we hum. So friends, did you learn that word? You had fun? Are you having fun? We're learning words. So we have two words that we learned. I is मैं and we is
hum.
Are you guys having fun? Shall I come and tickle you? What do you think? We shall go tickle your friends? This guy who's not listening, maybe we should go listen and tickle him.
Yes.
All right, friends. So we learned two words. First one was I, and the Urdu word for I is मैं. मैं is me. मैं, I. And the Urdu word for we is hum is we. Okay, and now the next word we're going to learn is you. Now, if we want to say you, what is the Urdu word for you? Good job. So if you're going to talk to someone who's older than you, so your older brother, maybe your older sister, or your cousin who's older than you, or your teacher, your parents, you're going to say aap. When you say you, how are you going to say it?
Aap.
Aap. And the other Urdu word for you is?
Tum.
Tum. So you use the word tum for your friends or somebody who's same age as you. Okay, so your buddy. You're going to use the word tum for your buddy. You don't say tum to older people, right?
No.
So your aap is the like kind of a polite word, a respectable term. So you say the you word for older people like aap. Okay? So what is the Urdu word for you?
Aap.
What is the other Urdu word for you?
Tum. Tum.
So the other Urdu word for you is?
Tum.
Tum. Okay, so first word for you is aap. And the other way of you saying the same word you is?
Tum.
Tum. So let's get started again. So what is the English word for you?
Tum.
Tum, aap, or
Tum.
tum. So Urdu word for you is aap, or you can say tum. Aap
Aap.
or tum.
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 Aap
Aap.
or tum.
Tum.
So who do we use aap with?
With older kids.
For older kids or parents or your teachers or somebody who's older than you. And who do we use tum with?
For your buddy.
For your buddies or your friends or who is younger than you, you will use the word tum, okay? And aap is like a more respectable way of saying something. So you can be polite. You can say your little brother aap too. It doesn't matter. If you're nice and polite, you can say aap. So the Urdu word for you is aap or
Tum.
tum. So the Urdu word for you is aap or
Tum.
tum. Can you say that? Aap,
Aap or tum.
aap or tum. So the Urdu word for you is aap or
Tum.
tum. So if you're going to call me you, can you say in Urdu? Can you call me?
Tum.
Tum is I'm older, so you're not going to say tum. What are you going to say?
Aap.
Aap. Were you going to say?
Aap.
Aap. And if I'm going to call you and I'm going to say you, I'm going to say
Tum.
tum. I'm going to say tum. Okay. So friends, what is the Urdu word for you? Let's ask Ishmael. Maybe he will know. What is the Urdu word for you?
Tum.
Tum. And what is the other word?
Aap.
Aap. So if you're going to call me you, how are you going to say it?
Aap.
Aap. Good job. So because I'm older than Ishmael, I'm Ishmael's mama, so he's going to call me Aap. And I can call him Aap back, or I can say Tum. Tum is the other word for you, right?
Yes.
You think your friends know this?
Yeah, I do.
Maybe they learned, right? So let's repeat it one more time, all the words we learned. So the first word was?
I.
And Urdu word for I is? You forgot already. What is the Urdu word for I?
Man.
Man, good job, finally. And the Urdu word for we?
Hum.
Hum, good job. So Urdu word for we is hum. And what is the Urdu word for you?
Aap.
Aap. And what is the other word for you?
Tum.
Tum, good job. So we learned me. Can you all say together? Me. Hum.
Hum.
And aap
Aap.
or tum.
Or tum.
Aap
Aap.
or tum.
Or tum.
Right? So we learned 3 new words. How many words did we learn?
3.
3 words. Kids, we all learned 3 words together. So first one, I'm going to say English word, and Ishmael is going to guess the Urdu word for it, and you guys are going to do the same thing. So the first word is I. What is the Urdu word for I?
Man.
Me, good job. And what is the Urdu word for we?
Hum.
Hum, good job. And what is the last word that we learned? So the Urdu word for
Tum.
Tum is for, the Urdu word for you is?
Aap.
Or the other word is?
Tum.
Tum. The last word is you. And the Urdu word for you is?
Tum.
Tum or?
Aap.
Good job. And guys, did you learn that too? So we learned 3 words. Me, hum, tum,
Tum.
ya aap.
Ya aap.
Aap. Aap or tum is the same thing for the word you.
Yeah.
Yeah. High five, you guys. High five करें. High five करें. अपने friends को high five करें. Yeah. All right, friends. So we learned a lot of words today. So what I'm going to do is put all the words in the description on the video below, so you can have your mom and dad or somebody older than you who can download these words for you, and you can practice them throughout the week with your parents, somebody, and then next week we're going to come back with new words, right, Ishmael?
Yeah.
We're gonna do new words and we're going to learn together, and all of us will know lots and lots of Urdu words, and in a little bit we will be speaking in Urdu very nicely. But for now, we're talking in English and we're learning new words, right, Ishmael?
Yeah.
So, tab tak ke liye, until then, we're going to say Allah Hafiz to you all, okay? We're going to see you next time. Practice these words and come back all prepared. So when we come back, we're going to revise them real quickly, and you're going to know all these words, and next time we're going to have new words and exciting. Okay, Allah Hafiz, friends.
Allah Hafiz.
You're going to study? You're going to study?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Aap. See you next time.